Toasting to health and happiness, unveiling the tradition. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's commonly heard in celebrations, gatherings, and sometimes even in casual meetups. Drink to your health. It's a phrase that carries warmth, well wishes, and centuries of tradition. Whether you're an English language learner looking to understand cultural nuances or just curious about this expression, you're in the right place. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Drink to your health is a toast people make when they raise their glasses to wish someone good health and happiness. It's a gesture that signifies respect, goodwill, and hopes for the recipient's well-being. This phrase is not just about drinking. It's more about the act of wishing someone well in a celebratory context. When someone says, "Let's drink to your health," it's akin to saying, "I wish you good health and happiness," with the action of raising a glass as a symbol of these good wishes. The tradition of toasting to someone's health dates back to ancient times. It was a way for hosts to show their guests that the drinks were safe to consume and free of poison, by either drinking from the same glass or pouring a portion of the guest's drink into their own. Over time, this gesture evolved into a symbolic act of camaraderie, trust, and well-wishing. The phrase, "drink to your health," embodies this rich history, bringing together the joy of celebration and the universal desire for health and happiness. You can use "drink to your health" in various social settings, from formal celebrations like weddings and anniversaries to casual gatherings with friends or family. It's a versatile expression that adds a touch of warmth and sincerity to the moment. Here are a few tips on how to incorporate it into your toasts. Raise your glass and make eye contact with the person or people you're toasting to. Say the phrase with genuine emotion. It's the sentiment behind the words that truly matters. Feel free to personalize the toast, perhaps by adding a short story or a few words about why you're toasting to their health. To drink to your health is more than just a phrase. It's a tradition that has been carried through generations, enriching our celebrations with wishes of well-being and happiness. As we've seen today, this simple toast carries profound meaning and history. Next time you're at a gathering, remember the power of these words and the positive vibes they bring. Cheers to learning and sharing the warmth of this beautiful expression. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Until next time, take care and keep learning.